So I did one of these a few weeks ago. I saw in the comments somebody said more simple weeknight meals. So here we are, CJ.
The people have spoken.
That's true, and we've listened. I want to do something fun. I do this for my kids. My oldest doesn't like pasta, but he loves pizza. So I said, how about pizza pasta? It's basically like, it's a baked rigatoni. But if you call it pizza pasta and make it look like pizza, hey, you're faking the kids, and it's easy.
You mean you're lying to your children?
No, I'm helping them know the truth. Whatever. It's pizza, but with noodles instead of... I'm going to show you how to make it. It's really good. I'm going to start with my sausage. Now today I have mild Italian sausage. I've got my griddle at like medium high heat. I do want some caramelization. I'm going to add all of that sausage, chop it up. This is a fun place where you can add anything that you like. You could do chicken, you could do ground beef if you really wanted to. I like the mild Italian sausage. Now once this is, I would say halfway, it's 75% fully cooked, I'm going to add my mushrooms, just sliced mushrooms. You can buy these already sliced. I'm going to add some diced onions as well and hit that with a good bit of salt and pepper. Now is where we're going to want to get to our garlic. So mince up some garlic, chop up some garlic, however you like it. Bigger pieces are fine, smaller pieces are probably better for the kiddos. Throw that in. I'm going to do some fresh herbs. This is where flavors really start to shine. Fresh herbs. I got some fresh oregano and some fresh basil. I want to chop that up pretty decent. I'm not going to add it just yet. I forgot to mention I also have some rigatoni boiling. I want to get that to al dente before putting everything together. All right, now we can add all of those beautiful herbs and start tossing everything together. I mean, it really doesn't get any easier than that. But it's all one big delicious pile of flavor. Now our pasta is finished. Actually, it's like right before finished. Nice and al dente is where we want it. We're going to strain that out into a larger bowl. Here's the fun part. Here's where we're gonna start mixing. So let's add all of that sausage, mushrooms, onions, herbs, garlic, all that deliciousness into the same bowl. And so now what we have is this, right? So if we wanted to, we could go in with our pizza sauce. Now, again, this is a Tuesday, a simple Tuesday night. Jarred pizza sauce. If you make your own, awesome. We actually have a really great pizza sauce in one of my previous episodes. If you want to go check that out, I love it. I'm gonna go with pizza sauce. I'm gonna go with some pepperonis. I'm gonna go with some mozzarella cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese, and I'm gonna go with some grated Parmesan. Now, we could be winning right now. We could be done. We could serve this, mix this together, and dinner is served. Or we can take it one step further, which is what I want to do. Now, if you wanted to cook this the night before or even a couple of days before, this would work in a little aluminum tin. Put everything in, pile it nice like a little baked pasta, like you're going to potluck at church, right, CJ?
Yes, sir.
Then we're going to treat it like pizza. We want the kiddos to be excited about this too, so a ton of mozzarella over the top and some more pepperonis. And if you have the Blackstone pizza oven, pop it in for 60 seconds until it looks like pizza. So if your kids don't eat pasta, you could sell it as pizza noodles. You could sell it as pizza noodles. And it's really fun. I mean, this is one of those things, you know, you don't put it in the oven just yet. You know, make this in the afternoon or make this the day before, and then just pop it in the oven for a little bit, or the pizza oven if you have it. And this is what you're left with. It's phenomenal. It's so much fun, and the kids are gonna love it. Now, you could just take my word for it, but why not talk to an expert? Uriah, I need your expert opinion, buddy.
Yes,
so, pizza pasta, what do you think?
I have tried it and it looks good.
Oh, you blew the secret. He already loves it. It looks like a pizza, right?
Yeah.
Here, get one of these noodles on top. It might be hot. Let's blow on it. Oh, it is hot. Be careful, dude. Ready? Ah!
Oh.
Good try. You get it? What do you think? Dude.
I think that's good.
Here, get that.
You can tell us the truth, Uriah.
Luckily, I had a stool on set for him to stand on. It's the one CJ stands on to look taller than me. I got Ethan with that one. I got Ethan. Thanks, buddy. What do you think? High five? 10 points?
100.
Shutout? 5 goals?
105 goals.
I love it. All right, I love you. See you later. All right. So, this one is definitely a hit with the kiddos. And it's somewhere between like a, I don't know, like a pizza and a baked ziti or something. I don't know why, but I had to go full like Captain Morgan when this was sitting here.
Stool over there?
Yeah, feels good. I'm gonna keep the stool.
Okay.
Thank you guys for watching. Remember, a Tuesday night doesn't have to be difficult. Something like this is very, very easy. You can make it the day before, throw it in the oven for the day after. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button down below and the little bell icon. Leave us a comment. What other quick weeknight recipe should we do, CJ?
Well, we've got a few.
Let me know in the comments. What do you want to learn how to make? I feel like I don't do stuff like this enough. We should do more of these.
Yeah.
A new segment?
Sure.
Simple weeknight meals?
Love it.
on the Blackstone channel. Lots of fun. Well, thank you guys so much. Be sure to watch all the other content on the network. But this is Cook, Eat, Repeat, where we like to help you become a better cook, one recipe at a time. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy, and I will see you all in the next video.